You are tired, you have been working so hard, and it feels like nothing is happening. You look around, and everyone else seems to be winning, and you are still waiting. But I need you to hear this today. Jesus is looking at you right now, and He is saying, just keep going. Think about this. Before David became king, he was a shepherd boy, alone in the fields. No crown, no army, no applause. Before Joseph wore the royal robe, he sat in the prison cell, forgotten, falsely accused, done. Or so it seemed, because God doesn't work on your timeline. He works on a divine timeline, and every single thing you are going through right now. Every rejection, every failure, every sleepless night, it's not wasted, it's preparation. Jesus said in Luke chapter 16 verses 10, whoever is faithful in small things will be faithful in great things. You know what that means. Your daily effort is your prayer. Showing up when you don't feel like it is your worship. Doing the work in the dark when nobody is watching, when nobody is clapping. That is faith in action. You don't have to feel motivated every day, you just have to be faithful every day. There will be days you question yourself, days you want to quit, days the enemy whispers, it's not working, you are wasting your time, give up. And on those days, you remind yourself of this. God doesn't start things He does not finish, and He started something in you. I want you to think about a farmer. Does he plant a seed and dig it up the next day to see if it's growing? No, he waters it. He tends to it. He trusts the process. You are that seed, and God is a farmer. You may not see the growth yet, but underground, in the dark, in the silence, roots are forming. Strength is building, something incredible is taking shape. So here's your challenge today. I don't care if it's your business, your dream, your health, your relationship, whatever it is you have been working on. Do not stop today, not because you are guaranteed to succeed tomorrow, but because Jesus never told you the road would be easy. He said, in this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. John chapter 16 verses 33. He already overcame it. That means through him, so did you. So get back to work, make that call, send that email, post that video, write that chapter, take that step. Do your part and trust God to do His. I will leave you with this. One day, maybe soon, maybe later, you are going to look back at this exact moment, this hard season, this confusing chapter, and you are going to say, that's where it's turned, that's where I didn't quit, that's where God showed up. So keep going, friend. Your success is not luck, it's already written. God bless you. Now go get it. Share, like, and subscribe for daily faith based motivation.